Hi, this is lesson 5-4, more algebraic expressions. Our goal for today, I can evaluate algebraic expressions. This is just a little reminder that anytime you have a digit right next to a variable, it means to multiply. 2n, for example, would equal just 2 times n. Notice we put the digit first and the variable right next to it. What expressions can you write for the following? 5 more than a number. 5 more than a number means just 5 plus or n plus that 5. Is that what you said? The key words are more than. What about these? A number less than 7. And 6 times a number. So think about how those are worded, but when you're writing expressions, you have to think about how you're going to actually write that expression. So n minus 7, the key word, is less. So a number is less than 7. So that number is less than 7, basically. 6 times the number, 6n, the key word is times. Make sure you look for those key words that tell you what to do to write the equation. So here's an example. The Charlotte Knights are a minor league baseball team in North Carolina. The table shows the ticket prices for the Knights baseball game. The cost of a child's ticket is $D less than the cost of an adult ticket. So here's the chart. You can see that an adult ticket costs $8, a senior ticket costs $7, and a child's ticket costs $7. So if we're referring to the above table, the cost of a child's ticket is $D less than $8. Write the expression, because remember the adult ticket was $8 and a child's ticket is D less than 8. So we're going to write that expression. So $D less than 8, let D represent how many dollars less. So 8 minus D. Suppose D equaled 3. Find the cost of the child's ticket. Well, 8 minus D is the expression. Then we fill in our variable with the actual 3, so 8 minus 3, basically replacing that D with the 3, and then we get 5. Here's another problem. Adam collected half as many insects for the science class as Joe. Write an expression. Half as many insects as Joe. Let Q represent the number of insects Joe collected. So we're going to basically divide. Q divided by 2. Since 2 represents half as many. So Q divided by 2, we're going to write our equation 12 divided by 2, and we get 6. So Adam collected 6 insects. Pause the video to figure out the following problems. The sum of 11 and Z. If you said 11 plus Z, you're right. P less than 22. Careful, you are taking 22 away from P, so we write the expression 22 minus P. If you write it P minus 22, it will be wrong. W times 8. 8W, the number is always first, so we know that times was representing multiplication. I know this is just kind of a review lesson. We've been working with these expressions for quite some time now, so grade yourself. You're 3. I can evaluate algebraic expressions. All by myself, I have no problem with this. A 2, I'm starting to be able to evaluate algebraic expressions, but I'm a little bit confused. I need to bring my questions back with me to class so Mrs. Trapanda or Mrs. Nichols can answer them. Or a 1, I'm really confused. I don't understand any of this. Make sure you tell one of us so that we can help you. Have a good day.